Hi, today I want to show you this CASEKOO Crystal Clear case for iPhone 14. So of course when you open the box you have the case, which I'm gonna come back to it shortly. But you also get this little stand, which is pretty cool. And this stand works the best horizontally. However, it is kind of possible to use it vertically. And I'm not sure if this is some kind of promotion or anything like that. But I also got these 2 sets of stickers in the box. So as far as the case goes, first you have this kind of hard shell on the back. Obviously this is totally see-through case. And then you have slightly softer borders and corners, which is important for the iPhone protection. Now this case also supports wireless charging. And I don't have iPhone 14 on my hands, but I tried it with iPhone 11 Pro, and as you could see, the wireless charging works. Of course, you get all the standard cutouts in this case, and that includes this raised bump for the camera's cutout, the mute switch, and all the ports. And then you have the typical buttons. These buttons actually work really nicely, and they're pretty soft, so you don't have to push the buttons hard for them to work. So this is a really nice and protective case, and especially for everything that is included in the box, I think this is actually a great price. And by the way, just quickly, if you're interested in this case, the link is gonna be in the description down below. And if you're still looking for some other cases, make sure to check these 2 videos on the side, and I'll catch you later. Bye!